students. See in your mathematics book, this ninth one chapter, my fun day. In this chapter, this next one point is favorite month. See, one day Sona, Arjun and Jeva were talking about their favorite months, and they're talking about their favorite months. My favorite month are May and June, and I am eat mangoes. Then in this month May and June we eat this mangoes. Then next one say I like this December month because Christmas comes in December. Then next one I like July and August because it rains in these months. Means here different students different this favorite of this month, and in this month this favorite of this one festival eating also, and I like in July and August because it rains in these months. In July and August month raining is there, therefore this favorite month. Then which month do you like the best? You like best which month? Then you write this answer in your notebook and why, and reason also you write. Then draw what you like to do in your favorite month. Suppose your favorite month is March, then in March month you like what, and you draw here this figure. Then next one point, see this page number 71. Fill in the table what I like best and months in which it comes. Suppose here fruit, vegetable, flowers is given here. Which fruit you like? Suppose mango. Then in which month it comes here? May month. Vegetable, which vegetable, flower you write here. Write the names of these 5 festivals that you or your friends celebrate. Also write the months in which these festivals come. You write here these your favorite festivals, and you celebrate with your friends, and write these festivals in which month will come these festivals. See here name of the festival. Suppose you write here Diwali in which month here? Suppose here November. Then Holi, March month. Holi in April. Then Raksha Bandhan in August month. In this type of these festivals, and here month you write here. Then next one, see this page number 72. Draw a scene of this any of the festivals. You here one space given, and you draw here one picture of this any of these festivals. Then next of this point, name of some of these months are missing in the list given below, and fill in the names of those months. Here filling of these months is given, and you complete this. See here January, February, here one empty space. Then April, here also one empty space. Here June, here also one empty space. Here August, here September, here October, here one empty space, and here last one December. Then you complete these months. January, February after March, then you write here April after May, June, then you write here July, August, September, October, here write November, and here December. Then see this next one, look at the calendar to find out here some questions given which is the first month of the year. In this month year, which is the first month? January is the first month, then you write here. Then which month comes after March? After March, which comes here? Month comes here? April. Then third one question, which month comes before August? August before which month? July. Then you write here answer July. Which is the last month of the year? You know, in the last month of the year is last month year December. Then you write here answer December. The next one point is February is different. Long months have 31 days, short months have 30 days. 4 months have 30 days. How many 30 days? Months 4 days. And 7 months have 31. February is the shortest month. In some years it jumps for fun. Means in February month here, how many days? 28, otherwise 29 days. Means 30 days only 4 months and 31 days, 7 months here. Okay, then again here some questions given. Then tomorrow I will send this photo of these questions. Then in homework you complete this. Okay, bye.